मैं CS पटेल बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका शिक्षण विभाग वर्चुअल क्लास में आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। बच्चों, वैश्विक महामारी के चलते इस वर्ष का अध्ययन अध्यापन का कार्यक्रम प्रभावित हो रहा है। ऐसे में हमारी बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका ने प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी तक ऑनलाइन टीचिंग पहुंचाने का प्रयास शुरू कर दिया है।
Standard second, subject English. Yes students, you are seeing my English book 2, standard 2, lesson 1.11, reading time. Lesson 1.11, reading time. Students, myself CS Patel from Virtual Training Center MCGM Mumbai. Okay students, now see further. Okay students, yes, 1.11 reading time. Let's listen. So look, listen and repeat. Look, listen and repeat. Okay students, so be ready. See students, look, listen and repeat. Okay students, so see students, yes, it's a reading time. So see here, see with the help of pointer now. Okay students, so see here, look, listen and repeat. Students, yes, you will see here इमेजेज। तो बच्चों यहाँ पे आप इस इमेजेज आप देखेंगे, यानी चित्र देखेंगे, यस पिक्चर्स देखने वाले हैं, राइट। एंड स्टूडेंट्स, यस, सो स्टूडेंट्स, यस यू हैव टू थिंक नेम। तो बच्चों इस इमेजेज के ये जो पिक्चर्स हैं, यस यू हैव टू थिंक नेम। नेम्स, आपको जो नाम इनके आपको सोचने हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now students, yes, so look, listen and repeat. Okay, so students, first of all look and listen carefully, and after that repeat. Okay, so first of all, yes, listen carefully. I am drawing and my friends are looking at my picture. Yes, listen once again. Okay, so listen carefully. I am drawing. Yes, repeat it. I am drawing. Okay students, repeat it. And यस बच्चों रिपीट कीजिए। यस, वेरी गुड। माई फ्रेंड्स आर लुकिंग एट माई पिक्चर। यस, सी फर्दर, दे सी द okay students, now see the image, see the picture, right? They see the, yes students, this image. So students, think about this image. I think yes, you know. Yes students, yes, sun. Yes, sun. So they see the sun, and see further the, and see this image. Yes, you are seeing this image, and students, think about this image. बच्चों इस image के बारे में सोचिए, इसका नाम, yes, think about this image. Yes, about this image. This image. I think you are ready now. So yes, moon. Yes, so the sun, the moon, and students, now see further. It's very interesting, राइट? तो बच्चों कोशिश कीजिए, जस्ट ट्राई सी these, yes, these images. I think you know, yes. So can you tell? Yes, I think you are ready. So tell your answer. Yes, stars. I think you are ready, right? So students, read again. They see the sun, the moon, the stars. Okay, once again, the sun, the moon, the stars. Okay, and see further. And the see students, I think you are ready now. Yes, can you tell? सी दिस इमेज. बच्चों इमेज देखिए, क्या आप इसके नाम पहचान सकते हैं? कैन यू टेल? यस, आई थिंक यू आर रेडी. सो नाउ टेल योर आंसर. यस, क्लाउड्स. यस, एंड द क्लाउड्स, एंड द क्लाउड्स in the sky, in the sky. Okay, now students, listen once again, listen and repeat. Okay, from the beginning, see here. I am drawing. Here students, listen and repeat very carefully. I am drawing and my friends are looking at my picture. Okay, repeat it. They see the sun. Okay, repeat it again. They see the sun, the moon, the stars, and the clouds, the clouds in the sky, in the sky. Okay students, so listen once again. So बच्चों एक बार और प्रैक्टिस कीजिए once again. Okay, yes, listen and repeat carefully. दोहराइए. I am drawing and my friends are looking at my picture. They see the sun, the moon, yes, the stars, and the clouds in the sky, in the sky. Yes, see the word clouds, the clouds in the sky. Okay students, now see further. Okay, now see further. Look, listen and repeat. Okay students, so look, listen carefully and repeat. Yes students, now see the. Yes, now see the image. I think you know. Yes, identify this image. Yes, so are you ready? Okay students, so yes, it's a peacock. Yes, we say peacock, right? Yes, it's our national bird. Yes, so the peacock. Okay, the peacock is dancing. The peacock is dancing. The peacock is dancing near the. Yes students, now this is image. Identify this one. What's this? क्या है बच्चों, पहचानिए. I think you are ready. Yes. So students, identify this image. It's a tree. Yes, tree. T-R-E-E. Yes, tree. It's a tree. Right. Now, students, listen carefully and repeat once again. Yes. Now see here. The peacock. Yes, students, the peacock is dancing. Yes, the peacock is dancing near the tree. Yes, say it again. The peacock is dancing near the tree. Okay. Yes, students. Now see further. Okay. See further. Yes, look, listen and repeat. See further. The. Yes, students, you are seeing. Yes, I think you are ready. Just try to yes. Try to identify this one. Yes, students. So I think you are ready. Okay. So it's a sparrow. Yes, it's a sparrow. Right? We say in our mother tongue, Gauraya. It's a sparrow. Right? So, see. Okay. Now, repeat it. The sparrow. Yes, repeat it. The sparrow is sitting. The sparrow is sitting in between. Yes, the. Yes, students. Now, what's this? Identify this bird. I think you are ready. Yes, identify this one. Yes, you are seeing this black bird. I think you are ready. So identify this one, and this is crow. Yes, the crow. The crow and the, yes, very famous bird. Students, you are seeing this one, very famous. So yes, बच्चों, can you name? Can you tell? Yes, I think you are ready. You have identified. So just tell your answer about this bird. Yes. Yes, students, parrot. Yes, you are right. I think you are right. Okay, students, so now listen and repeat once again. Yes. So the sparrow is sitting in between the crow and the parrot. Yes, the sparrow is sitting. The sparrow is sitting. Okay. So students, sparrow is sitting means sparrow. Suppose sparrow is here. Yes. So S for sparrow, sparrow is here. Sparrow is sitting in between crow and parrot. Yes, so crow is here. C for crow and P for parrot. P for parrot. Okay. Okay, students. So crow here, parrot here, and sparrow is sitting in between crow and the parrot. Okay, so keep in your mind, right? Now, students, so listen once again. So yes, listen and repeat once again. The peacock. Okay, now repeat it. The peacock is dancing. Yes, students, repeat it. The peacock is dancing near the tree. Near the tree. Yes. The sparrow is sitting in between. Yes, repeat it. The sparrow is sitting in between the crow and the parrot. Yes, the sparrow is sitting in between the crow and the parrot. Okay, students. Now see further. Okay, We will practice further. Look, listen and repeat. Okay, students, now look, listen and repeat. Yes, the. Yes, the. Okay, students, now identify this image. I think very well known. Yes, animal. Very famous animal. I think you are ready. So yes, just tell your answer. Yes, cow. Yes, cow. So now say the cow and the, yes, the cow and the, identify this one, this image. Yes. Okay, students, so ready? Just tell your answer. Okay, it's a deer. It's a deer. Okay, now say the cow and the deer. The cow and the deer are, yes, are grazing in the meadow. Yes, so listen once again, listen and repeat. Yes, students, the cow and the deer are grazing in the meadow. Students, meadow. Meadow, I think in your mother tongue you know meadow. Yes बच्चों, मैदान. यस, यानी पशुओं के लिए जो चारागाह होता है. यस, मैदान होता है जहां पशु चरते हैं. यस, that is called meadow. So listen once again and repeat. So be ready. Once again, the cow. Yes, repeat it. The cow and the deer are grazing in the meadow. Yes, so repeat it. The cow and the deer. Yes, repeat it. The cow and the deer are grazing in the meadow. Okay, the cow and the deer are grazing in the meadow. Okay, students, so you have to practice. You have to practice just like so. तो बच्चों, इस तरह से आपको अभ्यास करना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है. ओके, now students, see further. Yes, look, listen and repeat. Okay, now see further. The, see this image. Yes, very famous. Very famous. Yes, well known. Yes, I think you are ready. So just tell your answer. Yes, monkey. The monkey is sitting up. Yes, now say, repeat it. The monkey is sitting up. Okay, listen and repeat. The monkey is sitting up. Yes, बच्चों, repeat कीजिए. Once again, the monkey is sitting up there. Yes, say there, on a branch. On a branch of the, I think you are ready. It's very easy. Yes, identify this image. बहुत ही आसान है बच्चों. Very easy, very easy. I think you are ready. Okay, so tell your answer. Yes, it's a tree. Yes, it's a tree. Okay, of the tree. Okay, so listen and repeat. Yes, whole sentence. The monkey is sitting up. Yes, now say, the monkey is sitting up there on a branch of the tree. Full stop. Yes, so full stop is here. So listen once again. The monkey is sitting up there on a branch of the tree. Of the tree. Okay, students, sir? So yes, you have to practice and again and again. Again and again. Right? तो बच्चों खूब अभ्यास करना है. Again and again. Okay? Now see further. Yes, now see the. And students, yes, now see it's animal. And students, yes, it's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. We called in our mother tongue Gilahari. Yes, बच्चों? We say in our mother tongue Gilahari. And in English we say squirrel. Squirrel. The squirrel is also, yes, now listen and repeat. The squirrel is also, yes, repeat it, sitting on a branch of the, yes, very easy, yes, a tree, yes, tree. Okay, so repeat whole sentence. The squirrel is also, yes, repeat it. The squirrel is also sitting on a branch of the tree. Of the tree. Okay, students, sir? The squirrel is also sitting on a branch of the tree. Okay? So practice it again and again. Okay? So yes, it's practice work. So students, just like see. So students, if you see images, तो बच्चों इस तरह से अगर आप image देखते हैं, so just try to identify. Just try to tell names. Yes, identify. कोशिश करना है. What's this? जैसे yes, तो it's a fox. ये क्या है? Fox. Yes, what are you seeing here? Yes, tree. Okay, just like students, practice again and again. Okay, see another seat. Yes, so yes, you are seeing fox here, and yes, this image you are seeing crow here, right? And you are seeing tree. Yes, and you are seeing grass. Yes, and plants, you are seeing plants. Okay, so students, work hard and keep care of your health. So students, yes, बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका के इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना है और बच्चों अपने हेल्थ का ध्यान रखना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, वर्क हार्ड.
बच्चों, बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका के इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लीजिए. तो बच्चों, हम उम्मीद करते हैं यहाँ तक आपने समझ लिया है. आगे फिर मिलेंगे. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू वेरी मच.